Want the easiest dinner of all time? How about the fastest to put together? I've got both in the Allrecipes top-rated recipe for good old chicken and rice casserole. This recipe is so user-friendly that you can mix it together inside the casserole dish. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess that way, so I'm gonna throw it together in a bowl, pour it in, and pop it in the oven. Starting with just some plain boneless, skinless chicken breast cubed up. To that, I'm adding in the 3 favorite cream ofs that's perfect in every casserole. Cream of chicken, cream of celery, and cream of mushroom. I just love that you don't have to cook anything ahead of time. In goes instant rice. This, with a little bit of water, is gonna absorb all of that soup and deliciousness and make the best casserole. I suppose you could use uncooked, just plain rice, but you're going to probably have to add a little more liquid and double the cook time. 2 cups of water, stir it all together. And then all that's left is seasoning it up with a little salt and pepper. There is salt in those soups, so you don't need much. Now there are a couple ways you can zhuzh this up to make it your own or to enhance it a little bit. You could add in some chopped broccoli. You could also use rotisserie chicken instead of the raw chicken, and then the cook time would probably be shortened just a bit. What I'm gonna do to put my own little spin on this is to top it with some crushed crackers. The recipe calls just to add a stick of butter that has been sliced on top. This goes into the oven, 400 degrees, for about an hour, maybe a little more. Just cook it until everything is absorbed, the chicken is cooked, it's gooey and bubbly, you know the drill. Look at this gooey, bubbly goodness. Just looks like a hug from your grandmother, you know what I mean? It needs to sit for at least about 5 minutes just to come together and to cool off so it doesn't burn your mouth. I'm gonna grab a little side dish and serve it up. If you want to know what my childhood tastes like, it's right here on this plate. If you want the absolute easiest dinner that your whole family will love, just make the chicken and rice casserole.